Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Welcome po sa ating channel at ito yung weekly Kabay Tarot reading for October 1 to 7, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po so maaari kayo makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating daily Gabay Tarot reading. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Para po sa gusto magpa-reading, maaari nyo pong makuha ang link nasa description box po ito. Message nyo lang po ako sa messenger. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guys, ano po ang ganap today? Spirit guys, ano po ang ganap for this week? Para po kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong October 1 to 7. Nagkaroon kayo ng loyalty. May loyal kayo na friends, partner, nagkaroon ng family support, friendship support. May female figure sa buhay nyo na malaki ang kanyang influence for this week. So this is your lucky week. This is good luck, joy, prosperity. Wow, claim mo na, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Hingi po tayo ng advice. Spirit guys, hingi po kami ng advice for this week po para kay Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, October 1 to 7, 2023. Protected by angels. Wow, you are cherished by the angels. You are divinely guided. Navigating by the stars. Follow your bliss. Let's say your energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, spirit guides, ngayong week na ito, October 1 to 7. This is, nagkaroon ng disharmony dito, hindi pagkakaisa. Or may naalala ka rin na sa past nyo, or may nakausap kayo ngayong araw na ito, or week na ito, na naalala mo yung past nyo. May unhealthy attachment ka sa past. Opo, nakikita ko dito, hindi ka makapag-move on. Pwede rin may unexpected visitor ka, kaya naalala mo yung past. Opo, it might be this is your ex na nag-reconnect sa iyo. The advice is let the memories rest. Harapin ang present para sa inyong future. This is reverse card, nagkaroon pa kayo ng fear of change. Fear of change, nagkaroon kayo ng hesitation for this week. This is a sign na it's not the right time to take a risk sa mga balak mong simulain. This is also means takot ka mag-move forward. So this is the second card, confirmation na you are having a fear na to move forward from your past. Nagkaroon ka ng hesitation to step out from your comfort zone. So ilan sa dito sa mga trabahante, ayaw niyang mag-step out sa comfort zone niya. May solid plan ka dito pero hindi mo ginawa. Let's see your career and money, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn ngayong week na ito, October 1 to 7, spirit guides. This is nagkaroon ng hope and healing. Nagkaroon kayo ng opportunities dito sa inyong trabaho. Sa mga nag-aantay ng trabaho dyan, magkaroon kayo ng opportunities for this week. Nagkaroon din ng renewal ng contract. Nagkaroon ng faith sa inyong financial, na magkaroon kayo ng financial stability. Nagkaroon din kayo ng unexpected help from your boss, from your family, from your business partner. The star brings money lucks. This is a good luck. See? Good luck, good luck. So this is a money luck. This card may also indicate that you are healing from money or loss or job loss. Para sa mga negosyante, you may be guided to begin a new business. Pwede nyong gamitin yung passion nyo para sa business nyo. Opo. The star can also show recognition and awards, a certificate of recognition. May malalaman kang sekreto. Opo. May malalaman kang sekreto. Mataas ang inyong intuition ngayon. May kontrata kung nakikita dito, maaari magbasa muna bago pumirma. Listen to your intuition also, baka kasi may hidden charges or makadiscover ka ng deal na naging too good to be true. Kaya be wise at mag-ingat. Let's see your love and romance, self-love, partnership, romance. This is reverse card, nagkaroon po kayo ng isang disbalance. Unfair treatment sa inyong partner. Nagkaroon ng false accusation. It might be you, it might be your partner. Nagkaroon ng dishonesty. This card warns you na mag-iingat sa taong may mali at masamang paratang sa iyo. This card advise you to find your voice and stay strong to your values basta panatilihin mo maging totoo. Sa kasabihan pa, with the right values, reward comes. Sa mga single dyan, ideal type mo is romantic partner who is fun and outgoing, talkative and ready to have adventure. Sa mga may relasyon dyan, wala akong nakikitang problema sa inyo ngayon. Masaya kayo at stable. Anong iniisip mo? Anong iniisip niya? Para sa mga single. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Sa mga may relasyon, I hide behind material things. Love advice para sa mga single. Gratitude rampage, list 10 things you are thankful for. Advice po sa mga may relasyon, surprise. You may be about to be surprised for this week. Kabuang advice po, nothing is yet set in stone. So, kailangan ng pasensya. Message from Archangel Jophiel, get rid of clutter, clear the energy around you, and use your intuition. That is your reading today for this week, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.